Oh, ladies and gentlemen, your boy is finally back. Oh man, it does feel good. I will say it does feel very good. We're getting off to a very late start today. It's about like 2:15 in the afternoon, obviously. Oh, but nonetheless, we have a lot of catching up to do with each other. That sounded really awkward. Anyway, first and foremost, let me apologize because it's very, very windy today, like obnoxiously windy. Second, I have to also apologize to you guys because I've been back since like April 9th. So I've been back for a solid minute for now. So I want to apologize for that, you know, that I didn't come out with the video a little bit sooner. I've just been insanely busy ever since I got back. There's a lot of things I'm behind on. Thankfully, my bills are not one of them. But there's a lot of stuff that I'm trying to get done, and I'll explain a little bit later in the video of what exactly is going on. Update you guys, tell you a little bit about these last 7 months. Quite interesting. The sucky thing is I wanted to start this video off at our Shell gas station we always like to go to. But your boy is a spaz. Where are you going, dude? And he forgot his battery in his GoPro. And I'm sitting here, I'm like, why the hell isn't my GoPro working? It was just working the other day. And I forgot that I took the battery out to charge it. So we're not getting gas today. We already got gas. As far as destination, I don't know. I have no idea. Because it's late in the day, I don't know if I want to take you guys to my little hangout spot. Probably gonna end up in San Francisco, who knows. We are definitely we're gonna get this video going because I have a lot of stuff that I gotta talk to you guys about. Man, it's been 7 months. Do you guys miss me? There's probably gonna be one person that says, yeah, I missed you, man. The rest of the people are like, yeah, I don't really care. So we're about to hop on good old I-80 here and hopefully not blow over from all the damn wind. It is Sunday, so it shouldn't be too bad with traffic. What's up, girl? Alright, so we're gonna cut the clip. We will pick this back up when I get either close or we hit traffic. But first, oh man, I missed that. Alright, cut clip. What is going on here? Alright, minivan, what are you f***ing doing? I mean, there's signs that clearly say don't drive on the shoulder, but yeah, no, I'm not gonna sit here. Did you guys miss this? Traffic? I sure as hell did it. Thank you. Thank you. I'll go around you, so yeah, single lane road with traffic, nah, I'm good. Appreciate you. Oh my god, look at all of that. Sweet heavens, look at all of that. All the way up to the bridge. That's insane. Curious to see what the video is gonna sound like with all this damn wind. Good God. Like getting a neck workout. Pause. Definitely, that was a pause moment. You know what, guys? I made the decision. We're gonna keep it real light today. Since it was late in the day, I just cruise around San Francisco, see what's changed, see how much the homeless has increased. Why do people in California insist on getting in these lanes and then going the slowest one, being the slowest ones on the highway? So I really didn't mention where I was going. I kind of just kept that under wraps until I wanted to wait until I got back to tell you guys where I was. You guys don't have me on my personal Instagram. I don't add people on that one. It's personal-ish, I don't know. But where I was stationed. Station? Can I say station? I don't know if I was exactly stationed. I was deployed to Saudi Arabia. I think I was supposed to go to Iraq, and then my orders got changed. I don't know. So I was there for, I'd say, about 7 months. I've been back for a couple weeks, but I've just been so busy. Again, I'll explain a little bit more why I was so busy the past couple weeks. I guess you guys are wondering how this deployment went. Oh my god. I honestly don't even know where to start. I'm not going to divulge too much information, you know, obviously. Let's just say it was managerially interesting, if that's even a word. I'm going to fully admit, I kind of, not so much skated through, but I kind of dodged the, like the bigger tasks. Honestly, I was very happy that I dodged them. The guy that got put in charge of him, he wasn't very happy. Really good guy. He learned actually a lot, but I'm just so glad I dodged all that shit because I didn't want to do it. It's probably because I just laid low and I kind of don't talk to people. Like when I first get to a deployment, I kind of feel them out. Kind of not put my face out there too much. People don't really know me, which is a good thing. Those two words that we kind of hate, anybody really hates in any job environment. Doesn't matter if you're a civilian, military, law enforcement, first responder, whatever. Micromanaging. Do not micromanage someone underneath you that you're in charge of. Let them run their own shit. But the base itself was very, very interesting. I was all tense. When I got there, they just started putting hardened facilities in. It's very windy. It's kind of like it is right now. I'm curious to see if you guys can even hear me talking or how annoying the wind's going to be right now. Very dusty. Very dusty. There was sand everywhere. I emptied my bag and it was just sand all inside of it. I mean, it was sand in places you didn't even know existed on your body. The flies were terrible. Oh my god, the flies didn't give two shits about you. They literally would follow you as you walk to work. Flies. But the shop itself, the people that were in it, amazing. I mean, we did have a lot of fun. There was times where morale was kind of down. I'm not going to explain why. And bumped heads a couple times. You know what I mean? It happens with anybody. I mean, especially when you stick a bunch of testosterone-filled men in a shop. Pause. I need some vagina. The tents weren't terrible. Honestly, I mean, I don't mind the tents. It's just one of those things where you just live in a tent. I mean, you have your own section at least. I was just sand everywhere. I got the Mac Daddy suite in the tent, so my spot was like the biggest spot in the tent. So, you know, your boy got lucky for 6 months, 6.5 months, whatever it was. But our replacements, we bumped heads a lot. Don't go in there like you own the place. Don't go in there on your high horse and just say, yeah, I've been here, I've done this, I've done that, because you don't know how it works at that particular spot. I'll be completely honest, I really didn't like any of them. There was only 2 people that I really was cool with there. One of them, she was a night shift lead. She took over my spot because I was the lead of night shift. Alright guys, why are we slowing down? The rest of them, yeah, nah, they can kick rocks, honestly. I know we're supposed to be brothers and sisters, but you know, some people you just can't stomach for too long, and they were them. I was so glad to get out of there. Oh, look, see, you guys missed traffic? There you go. There's some traffic for you guys. Our immediate shop lead, like the guy that like kind of oversaw the whole shop, he was cool as shit. He gave me his little Wi-Fi puck, so that was a plus. I needed that Wi-Fi. I was the only one that left on time, like earlier, but the rest of the crew, oh god, like this is terrible, but the rest of the crew, they got stopped until the end of the month, so I think they just got home, and they all came with me. We all showed up at the same time. They left later. Losers. Puppy. Hey, come here, let me pet your dog. Let's go down here, we'll chat a little bit more. Oh, go in a neutral bike, jeez. Cruise on down here. Bumps and all. Dead end for you, bro. Just cop squat right here. So yeah, going back to it, the deployment itself, like the experience and shit, that was kind of dope. Manager wise, yeah, no, our guy above our shop lead was he was a very interesting man. I'll be completely honest, I wasn't a really big fan of his. Not much other people were either. So that's where I was for the past 7 months. Good old Saudi Arabia. I'll put some pictures up on the screen right now for you guys to kind of see what we sort of was dealing with out there. It was all deployment assets, so it's temporary power. The problem is the base has been up for 2 years, or a little less than 2 years. You shouldn't have temporary power, and then you're putting hardened facilities down with temporary power. This summer is gonna be hell. Let me get you, big, get your dumb ass out of here before you. I said, I mean, I really want to tell you guys everything, but I kind of can't. Like, I can't say too much, because it probably sounds like it's all negative, but there was a lot of positives to it. There was definitely a lot of positives to it, besides the money. Oh, get out of here. Let me try and think of some. The money was good. I was able to buy a lot of stuff for the EVO build. The other positive was oh, it's a seal right there. Hey, what's up? Wait, fine, bro. Damn, nobody likes me. Damn, he got far. He's all the way over there. Come on, guys, focus with me here. The positives. What was the positives? I've never been to Saudi Arabia before, so there was a first. Passed through Ireland. I bought some whiskey on the way home, which, if you guys ever meet me, I love whiskey. We had some pretty epic games of Sorry on Night Crew. Of course, I never won, because the chick that was on Night Crew, she was a witch. She cheated. I'm pretty sure she cheated. She was stacking a deck in her favor. I want a corgi so bad. If I got another dog, that's what kind of dog it would be. These things are hard to find, though. Ladies, how are you? I'm doing well, thank you. Get out of the way. Come on, dude. I'm going through this light. I'm not waiting. Oh man, this video is gonna be really boring. Definitely gonna be very, very boring. This video is really just an update. It's just an update on me being back. No! Oh, look at that handsome guy right there. That's me. I guess that's it. We're updated. Are we updated already? I had so much to talk about, and I don't think I hit any of the topics I wanted to really talk about. I'm so confused on what's happening right now. I guess pulling over them. Oh, you want to race, bro? Trying to go? I missed it. I miss you guys. Not really, but, you know, still that counts, right? Which is exactly what I said first. I don't know, whatever. You guys get the point. Oh, man. Oh, God. I don't know what I'm talking about anymore. I hope you guys are going to stay tuned for this bike and all the other shenanigans that hopefully follows. I'm going to go ahead and end today's video right here, right now, before I bore you guys to death anymore. Guys, remember, always stay hungry, stay humble. Your boy Machine here, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Later.
I swear to God, man, I'ma make it soon. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion.